3, 2, 1.
I'm small, plastic, and can store a large amount of data. What am I? The answer is D, memory card. The state of matter, solid, liquid, or gas is also considered what type of property? The answer is C, physical. How many different tribal governments are recognized by the U.S. government? The answer is B, 563. Who wrote and directed Hannah and Her Sisters, a comedy drama movie which tells intertwined stories beginning and ending with a family Thanksgiving dinner? The answer is A, Woody Allen. I have a back that is broken yet I can still keep going. What am I? The answer is C, book. Rough-hewn, cigar-smoking Sam Spiegel was the only major producer who had a hand in making 2 of the top 10 movies according to the American Film Institute. Which are they? The answer is D, On the Waterfront and Lawrence of Arabia. What is a koala's primary food source? The answer is A, gum leaves. Who is the director of the 2007 movie Red Line? The answer is C, Andy Cheng. What type of cheese is traditionally made from buffalo's milk? The answer is D, mozzarella. I add color to your wardrobe, but can't be seen or touched. What am I? The answer is A, pattern. Sonora Smart began a movement to establish Father's Day as an officially recognized holiday. In which state did she live? The answer is A, Washington. Cat Stevens wrote a new musical arrangement for the hymn, Morning Has Broken. Who wrote the lyrics? The answer is A, Elinor Fargian. After passing through capillaries and being filtered, clean blood leaves what organ through a vein? The answer is D, kidney. Garden plants on Earth require 4 resources to stay alive: soil, air, water, and sunlight. How many of these resources are necessary for life to exist on the moon or another planet? The answer is A, 4. Which was Pepe Le Pew's first movie? The answer is B, Odorable Kitty. Brewer and Shipley were awaiting in a railroad station. Which song explains why were they waiting for the train that goes home, Sweet Mary, hopping the train is on time? The answer is D, One Toke Over the Line. What is the first computer to use a graphical user interface GUI? The answer is B, Commodore 64. Approximately how much larger is the radius of an atom than that of its nucleus? The answer is B, 10 times. I protect your head, but you can't wear me on your head. What am I? The answer is B, helmet. How did the Grinch's eyes change at the end of the Grinch cartoon? The answer is B, red to blue. As temperatures increase, which process is responsible for increasing the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere? The answer is B, evaporation. What can travel all over the world without leaving its corner? The answer is A, stamp. Which advertising mascot describes his Frosted Flakes cereal by saying they are Rarit? The answer is A, Tony the Tiger. When a volcano erupts, new lava is deposited on the slopes of the volcano. After the lava cools and hardens, which types of organisms will most likely be the first to live on the new material? The answer is C, mosses and lichens. I'm not grown on vines but often used in wine. What am I? The answer is D, gray. What is the word for a male mouse? The answer is D, a buck. Aquaman, The Atom, Batman, The Flash, Green Arrow, Hawkman, John's Martian Hunter, Superman, and Wonder Woman are from which of these groups? The answer is B, the Justice League of America. I have a stone inside me but no leaves. What am I? The answer is A, cherry. What type of force keeps the planets orbiting the Sun? The answer is A, gravitational. What was the name of Isaac's wife according to the book of Genesis? The answer is D, Rebecca. What has many keys and can open any door? The answer is C, encyclopedia. The Nile is associated with which ancient civilization? The answer is A, Egyptian. What has to be broken before you can use it? Time. The answer is D, minute. What nationality was Junko Tabe the first woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest? The answer is B, Japanese. Which Hollywood legend's daughter penned the memoir Mommy Dearest? The answer is A, Joan Crawford. In Greek mythology, a minotaur was made up of what two creatures? The answer is A, man and bull. What is the missing word from the Beatles' song Help? And now my life has changed in oh so many ways, my seems to vanish in the haze. The answer is D, independence. The process of splitting atoms creates what kind of waste? The answer is C, radioactive. I'm light as a feather, yet the world is not weary of me. I travel as fast as the wind, yet I never tire or get left behind. What am I? The answer is D. Shadow. Which kitchen appliance is used to toast bread and heat food in a microwave oven? The answer is A. Toaster. Which river flows through the city of Moscow, Russia? The answer is A. Volga River. Which book is about a dystopian society called Panem? The answer is A. The Hunger Games. What is the English word for the Spanish word fiesta? The answer is C. Party. I help solve math problems, but I can't write or draw. What am I? The answer is A. Calculator. Which novel begins with the line, "It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife"? The answer is A. Pride and Prejudice. Which of these would not cause a muscle cramp? The answer is B. Being overweight. Longshore currents are ocean waves that strike beaches at extremely small angles. In areas where longshore currents exist, what effect do they have on land areas? The answer is C. They move sand, creating sandbars. I'm full of cities, but I'm not a city. What am I? The answer is B. Globe. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and you want to explore Central Park with your family. Which form of transportation should your family not plan on using? The answer is B. Cars. Which U.S. state has been called the land of the midnight sun?